you
right?
using Google Forms or JotForms?
JotForms. Yeah. So
JotForms.
the job form they fill it out and then that gets populated to the Google Sheet and it's Zapier does the rest in Follow Up Boss.
Yeah, and so it's just been challenging getting all this stuff integrated. Is that why you're?
Yeah, and just there's too many moving parts. There's too many things. There's too many forms, too many moving parts, and then we have to do too many automations to send the Met forms, send the appointment forms, send all of that stuff, right? So we just
Yep. Yeah, yeah.
what can be what how can we make this easy or
Yeah,
not?
yeah. You mind if I send that snippet to? I just s spoke with somebody who's thinking about getting started on JotForms. Do you mind if I send that snippet you just
Yeah,
said to them?
go ahead.
All right.
Because I spent a whole few hours trying to get this thing going, but I'd
Yeah.
rather just hit you up. If it does all of this, might as well just check it out
Yeah.
here, right?
Yeah. All
Yeah.
right. Okay. So now their form builder, let me pull up like a appointment form.
And then you could have it fill out custom fields too, right? Like the custom fields that I
Yeah.
showed you. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
We have fields that are already pre-mapped. So these are already pre-mapped to the follow-up boss person. We
Oh,
have
I see.
fields that are pre-mapped to the deal. We have fields that are pre-mapped to the appointment. And then custom fields, when you add a new field from here, it creates a custom field. And then we have a field mapping section where you can map any custom field to anywhere in follow-up boss.
Okay.
All right, and yeah, it's a drag and drop interface. Appointment set was ISA set it or did the OSA set it? You're gonna collect your appointment details. We can store addresses in our system. So if you have
Okay.
an office appointment, then we can store your office address. It'll automatically put the address in the appointment. And then in follow-up boss, we have an embedded app right here.